Grab your coffee, Reef family, because today we're going coral shopping for the most eye-popping SPS corals on the planet. These collector corals are so vibrant, they look like they came straight out of a dream. The kind that will transform your reef tank from mediocre to exceptional. Let's go find the SPS coral or corals that will change your reef aquarium forever and make you the envy of every reef keeper. You have to love reefing. So yesterday we visited Pasquale at his place to see his amazing tank. It turns out that he has a business called Coral Academy, and it's run by Pasquale and his friend Andrea. And they're both have this amazing shop, but all I see is a bunch of empty tanks. I don't know what he's trying to tell me. Let's see. Oh, here's the first nice surprise. And check this out. So this is Pasquale and Andrea's coral farm.
Hello, good morning.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hey, thank you for inviting us.
You're welcome.
Yes, and I'm very excited to be here. And from what I see, beautiful coral colonies. So guys, thank you for inviting me. Tell me a little bit about the shop.
The shop is a dream. We dream together this shop. Yeah. We made it and we do the best we can do all day.
Okay.
We have to perform to be bigger than now, and we hope to open the 2026 the real shop. It's not on a farm.
Okay.
So
let me ask you a question.
yeah.
What made you decide to do a farm?
He made it to decide.
For passion.
Yeah. He made it to
We
decide.
made it for passion, and then we decided to translate the passion in a shop activity. So this is our dream.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So you took your passion and you turned it into your dream.
Yeah.
And now you're growing corals for the Italian market.
Yeah.
Yes. So now let's take a look at some of these tanks. Now behind you is obviously LPS.
Yeah.
So you keep the LPS separate from the SPS?
Yeah, sure. Because the conditions are different, the flow is different. It's very totally different water as well.
Okay. So now over here we have SPS, and I see a lot of corals. And from what I can gather, it's very, very colorful. Tell us a little bit on how you keep the conditions on these corals and how you keep the conditions in the shop.
So we do the water change once a week, like 10% about the total, because the three are together with one sound.
Ah, okay, so it's all one system.
Yeah, that one is one system.
Yes.
Okay. So the light are different because we try to keep different color from the same colony. Then we use radion here and the GNC plus Softex down these tanks.
Okay, but I see with the GNC, I see something else there.
Yeah, there is like water bar.
And is that a GNC bar as well?
No.
Okay.
So we try to take different color by the frequency of the GNC,
Uh-huh.
and then we move to the radio and check if there is some difference.
Okay, so you put it under different lights to see if you can manipulate different colors.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Then you can see inside we have the tank. This tank is only for frag. Okay, ready to sell.
Ah, okay.
Then we have the two tank for the mother colony. where
So-
we-
So this one is the mother colony?
yeah, one and the other is over there.
Uh-huh.
Then we frag and then we put here to make more colorful.
Okay. So this is the coral frag system,
Yes.
and this is where you sell out of.
Yes. It's
Okay.
a part where it's sold, on sale, and prepared to the sale.
Okay.
We organize everything to do the best for the client, no?
Wow, look at the tips. That is amazing. The colors are just mind-blowing.
Ti conviene farla da là. Se tu la fai da là verso di qua,
This is all about color.
metti la scala, mettete qua, bravo.
Wow. Perfetto. Okay. Look at that.
Speciosa, flaming sunrise.
Wow. This, another must-have. So unique.
Sì, bellissimo.
Maron, look at this.
No,
That's a
vabbè,
robusta.
spettacolo.
No, what is this?
Peachy rainbow.
Peachy rainbow. Beautiful. Oh my God. Very, very special.
Ma metti che fingi di fare con l'acqua corale, così per me riesci a prendere tutti i
Spectacular. Okay, so now where you get your corals from?
We import coral from Indonesia right now, and we're waiting the Australia will be open again.
Okay.
Expecting more, yeah.
So you're saying Australia open again based on Italy's rules, right?
Yes, because in Italy will be closer for a moment because the rules are changed about the importing, and I'm sad about that. But this Italian rule.
Right, so you have to deal with the Italian rules.
Yeah.
Right, okay, so now you do water changes, you said once a week?
Yes, once a week.
Okay.
10%. You have the sump here, the Delta double pump. There is rock live,
Live rock?
yeah, live rock here,
Uh-huh.
under kilo, something like that.
You have a
Skimmer
Deltec
is
Pro?
it's very clear. We use live rock, skimmer, and radial pump. We feed once a week by VargasReef.
Ah, okay, so you use Modern Reef here in the shop?
We use VargasReef for food. We feed 2 times a week, and we use like at my home, Red Sea blue bucket.
Okay,
Yes.
uh-huh,
And then we use Acropora for bottling for this system. And then
okay.
we use Modern Reef in the other one.
Now, where are you located?
We are located in Rome.
In Rome?
Yeah, we are in Rome, close to the city center. You can come here by the metro station, or bus, or by car. It's very simple to arrive. We are near to the Garbatella train station, or Ostiense one as well. It's very close. So wherever you want to come, we are here.
Well, okay, so this is the grafted.
Yeah, mi level
Lui è grosso.
grafted.
Aspetta.
No, ma lui lo andiamo a prendere di spalle con i dati,
Look
Vabbè,
at
ma
all
non è
the
il
colors
problema.
on that.
Aspetta, fammi mettere i guanti più che altro perché dopo dobbiamo
This
fare.
is crazy. So what is this?
Jason Fox Flame.
This is a must-have. Look at the colors of this baby.
Con i passi che per fare una foto.
Now, what is this?
Apocalypse.
E già
I can see why.
Because it's amazing.
'Cause
Colorful. Yellow
No, lo so,
polyps.
tipo di-
White
L'altra
tips.
alternativa
Green.
è mettere la lente e immergerla in telefono.
Green.
È quello che abbiamo provato a fare.
Wow, look at that.
This is a wonderful rainbow.
Wonderful rainbow.
Yeah, this is only one piece.
The only one piece.
Yeah, we all.
Now, what's your busiest day of the week?
Oh my God, Monday and Tuesday.
Monday and
Two,
Tuesday.
Yeah, because we're shipping the coral in the Monday and Tuesday, yeah. So we
Ah.
have to prepare everything for the shipping, and it's a busy day, yeah.
Okay, what about people coming to the shop? What's the busiest day for people to
Okay,
come?
Saturday is the best. Usually they come the weekend.
Okay, so the weekend.
Sometimes the people come in the afternoon when they left work and they come here, just try something and go back home.
Okay.
Yeah, we are opening. So until 8 in the evening, we are opening.
So how far do people come here to your place?
I think all Italy already now pass you from far away.
That's
They come from all Italy, yeah.
wow.
Sometimes
Well,
they made a group, they come all together to show and buy coral here.
okay. Now I see a lot of corals.
Yeah.
Andrea,
Yeah.
what's your favorite coral?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
There are a lot of
Dude, you gotta have a favorite.
There are a lot of colors that I love too. One is for me is wonderful is if you come here the beach rainbow is the one of the best for me, and Jason Fox Flame too. And this is another particular colors that we named Apocalypse, and it's very beautiful under these lights.
Okay. So those are your favorite.
Yeah.
Okay. Andrea, I know that I know that your partner has a tank at home. What about you? Do you have a tank?
At home?
Yes.
Yes, but I don't have enough time to to stay with my tank.
Okay.
I prefer to stay here.
Okay. You know what? It makes sense because you got a lot of beautiful things here. Wow.
This is wonderful.
They should call this just one word. What's it called?
Beach rainbow.
No. I think we should rename it to just wonderful.
Wonderful.
Look at this.
No.
This is just wonderful. Oh my God, this thing is beautiful.
Se no non.
Look at that.
Lo fanno io tre piedi sta sopra.
Wow.
Sì.
Pasquale, faccio una cosa che
And what's this one called?
Sorry?
What's this one called?
Robusta rainbow.
Robusta Rainbow.
Rainbow, yeah.
Wow. Perfect. Oh.
Devi fare qualche libro, devi fare solo foto.
And which one is this one?
Orange County.
Orange County. Look at this, guys. Look at all that Acropora. Okay, which one is this one? This is really unique. Huh?
Unique.
That's the name of it?
Yes.
Unique.
Cioè, alla fine
Really nice.
See the new babies coming.
è la tecnica fotografica.
Beautiful.
Cioè, non è tanto.
Okay, so before we go, anything you want to tell us? Like, what is your Instagram account? How can people find you? What is the phone number?
Coral Academy RM on Instagram.
Coral Academy on Instagram.
Yeah. WhatsApp number. The number is 06. Our phone number is 379 211 59.
Okay. So this is how people can reach you, right? Okay, everyone. We had a great time here. One of the things I want to say is, if you're in Rome, check out all the sites, but this is another site that you must see. See you guys. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
And there you have it, Reef family. A coral shopping experience like no other, right here in the heart of Rome. Drop a comment below and tell me which coral you'd like to take home. And better yet, what coral destination will you love to see next? So until next time, you have to love reefing.